Hello everyone, this is Shamika from So What Virgin Hair. I am going to display some popular textures, and I am going to start creating a page of its own because these textures are becoming very, very popular. So popular to it deserves a highlight of its own. Well, first I want to let you all know, please ignore my smoke detector. It has been changed and it has a new battery. I think it is possessed and we do not know why it will not stop beeping. It has a new battery. We have replaced it with multiple new batteries and it still beeps. So I don't know. We actually got someone coming out here next week. If they come, they come. If they don't, they don't. So just ignore that smoke detector as if it's not even in this video. But yeah, I am going to bring you all, as you all can see, I have my natural hair out. My texture is like a 4C, 4B. I have really, really coily, tight, curled hair. And yeah, there's a lot of people that has this type of hair texture. So we have some great products that is going to mimic your natural hair texture. I do not have a texture that actually mimics this curl pattern on hand, but I am going to do another video that actually has its texture do another video with this texture, almost exact. But I am going to bring you all my kinky straight, deep curly for my ladies with curly hair, naturally curly hair, and a shorter version of the curly. Okay, so yeah, just stay tuned for the transformation of these textures. They are so gorgeous. They're gonna, like I say, I'm gonna highlight these textures. That is gonna have their own page that is going to be my natural textures, and they will be available to purchase. All right, ladies, right here you're gonna see me put on a kinky straight headband wig, and you're also gonna see me style it in many different styles. Just watch how quick you can just put on this headband wig. You put on a headband and actually you can just go like literally in less than a minute. Look how easy it is. You just put some edge control, stick your edges down a little bit and just go. You can wear it in its natural state, just like that, and go, or you can pin it up, you can curl it, you can do many things with this one headband without actually damaging your edges with glue and things like that with a normal frontal wig. But I just want you all to see like how many different styles you're going to be able to have and style with this one wig. I didn't have a rubber band, so I had to go get one. And yeah, just going to do a little pin up, half pin, pin up, half down style. Oh my gosh, like look at here, like just gorgeous, and it doesn't move. You can put in a ball for a more, you know, cute formal look. Yeah, so just continue watching. All right, ladies, I am back. Here is, oh my gosh, when I say my absolute favorite, this is my favorite wig. You can probably tell too by how the joy in my eyes, but this is our deep curly frontal wig, like short. Is I believe this is a 12-inch. My God, like look at this wig. I mean, just absolutely gorgeous. I mean, you can wear this. This can be dressed up, dressed down. It looks just like a natural roller set. I mean, it looks just like my hair. And you can, like, look at here. You can wear it to the side, flip it over on the other side. You can wear it on that side. I mean, just gorgeous. Just gorgeous. So y'all, I am going to bring you all a curly, a natural curly. It is called a deep curly wig. It is for ladies with more curlier hair. This here is our headband wig. Look how beautiful those curls are. Oh my gosh. Yes. So I'm going to show you now. I don't have curly hair. This honestly does not match my hair texture at all. All right, ladies, and this one here, I believe this is the last one. This is a deep curly headband wig as well. This is for my ladies who have natural curly hair, or not even natural curly hair either, because the only thing is out is your edges. But if you have natural curly hair but you don't want to wear your hair out, and you know this is something that matches your hair texture, I mean, this is absolutely gorgeous. I am showing you all that it's barely any shedding that comes out. I combed it out some just to kind of loosen up the curls. I like more of a bushy, more of a natural look, but like, yeah. I mean, look at there. Just look at those beautiful curls. I mean, this is absolutely gorgeous. This wig is perfect for any occasion, vacation, water, formal. It does not matter. I mean, this wig is absolutely gorgeous.